Good day, my Stitchy family, and welcome to my channel, Stitcha-Rella. Today I'm bringing you another fabulous unboxing from FGNORMAL. That is www.fgnormal.com. Now, they are fabulous. They have good shipping, good customer service, and the products are fantastic, as you're going to see in a moment. Now, FGNORMAL, you must go and play around on their website. They do all kinds of things. They do our favorite cross stitch, the new beaded cross stitch, the newest 9-count cross stitch, and they sell all the tools and accessories that goes with it, as well as the diamond paintings, paint by numbers, and their tools and accessories as well. They also do customs. You must go and have a look. They do blind boxes. And they've got some under the button home decor. You can go and have a look. They've got stuff like the fire paint seal series, epoxy molds, wax seal stamps, and the weaving series. So if you go and have a look, the possibilities are endless. They are fabulous. Now, if you want to save a little bit more at FGNORMAL, you use my discount code, which is RELLA05 for extra 5% off. Now, you can also get free shipping for orders over $48.83. And guess what? That is not all. They are running a special still. It's a big special. If you order for $1.22, you get 20% off. I just want to see here. Let me just see here. Buy one. There you go. Buy for $72.03. You get 23% off. Buy for $120.86. You get 26% off, and you can still use my 5% discount code. Now that is massive savings. Massive. So please go and have a look at FGNORMAL. They've got beautiful things, and their products are really amazing. Now, I cannot wait to open this with you guys. So let's start with Hello Kitty. So you're looking at Hello Kitty. Abby saw this today. As I put it here and made ready to record, she went boo-boo bananas. Alright, so guess who's stitching Kitty soon? Yes, me. Alright, so let's have a look at it. Guys, now I love these little things. You get your pattern and instructions on how to bead. It's just a little beautiful little thing. There is some instructions here, but you're going to have to use Google Translate, alright? And there's 4 colors. It's a little keychain. Look at this. Oh, mama. Look at her. Isn't she amazing? Now, this is not normal Aida. It's plastic Aida. So you work both, then you turn it, then you work it, then you clip it. Otherwise, you're going to have problems. So this is really cool. Now, here you go. It is the stuffing that goes into your little keyring. Let me show you the rest. Alright. So here's your 4 colors. It is glass seed beads. The light, I'm trying to show you the colors, but the light's not playing nice with me. So there's the glass seed beads. Then you get, in here will be needles. Let me see my glasses. You've got 3 beading needles, and then you've got a 26 and the keyring chain. Everything you need nicely packed into one. Then of course you got the 4 colors of floss corresponding with your beads, and there we call this fish line, but it's beading line. There's beading line here. Now this you use to tie it up together. We must actually do this over a weekend as well, so that I can show you guys what's going on, how it works, because very cute projects, you can easily do it in a weekend. Chop chop, very very quick little projects, and I love them. All right, now for the big one. I cannot wait for this one. And there she is. Isn't she magnificent? There's a story behind her, I'll tell you now. All right, so while you're looking and I'm trying to stuff Kitty in the bag, I want to ask, if it's the first time you're watching my videos, please hit the subscribe button if you would be so kind. That helps me out a lot and it motivates me to make more videos for you. Also, it is for free. Now we're gonna get to that Joy Sunday. I'm still stuffing Kitty in the bag, guys. This is also video 1 of 2 for FGNORMAL, so there's more pretties coming. Alright, Kitty's in the bag finally. Alright, so you've seen her. Let's open her together. And while I open her, I want to tell you, I wanted this image for so long. You guys don't even know. Now, there was a lot of false copies of it, and because this belongs to an artist. I know that for a fact. But I also know for a fact that Joy Sunday pays for images, and they pay royalties for images. Joy Sunday is a very professional company. So this way I got a professional legal copy, and it's fabulous. She is amazing. She's to die for. I love her. So let's do this. I waited long enough. This was on my wish list. I promise you 5 years, 4 years. And I didn't want to do counted, and she wasn't available. So she is now, and she's fantastic. So let's have a look. So standard with your Joy Sunday, you get a reusable Ziploc bag with the instructions printed on the back. The front of a Joy Sunday is fantastic. You guys know that. The image here is beautiful, but when you do the actual stitch, it's even more terrific. There's a product code, name and number, and the name is Andromeda Berries. I think I'm pronouncing it wrong, right? But I don't know. Andromeda Berries. She's 14 count, 68 by 67 centimeters. It looks like honeysuckles. It's my favorite. Suikerbekkies. There's flowers. There's peonies. There's butterflies. I adore her. She is fabulous. I love her. Alright, so let's have a look at this book. Okay, that we're going to look at Nana. I don't know how many colors, but that's a surprise. We can look Nana. Alright, so the book is beautiful, and I don't see backstitching, guys. Oh my Stitchy soul. Oh, I'm getting chicken skin. Oh my word. Ooh. This is beautiful. I've waited so long for her, and she's amazing. Alright, so let's have a look here. So 12 pages. Remember, she's round. She's 14 count, 68 by 67 centimeters. And let's see here. She's got 56 colors. And they're all full stitch. Wow. And I love what they're doing. They've been doing this since last year. So here's the symbols for your pattern. And there's the symbols for, yes, your Ada. Yay. Perfect so far. I am still getting chicken skin. Oh, I know it's goosebumps, but direct translation from Afrikaans to English, it's chicken skin. We call it in Afrikaans hoendervleis. So I don't know, Goosebumps is a movie. I get chicken skin. Alright, so let's have a look. Oh my word. I haven't, like, this is really, this is just beautiful. And she's so big. Oh my God. Sorry. She's so big. Alright, so beautiful 14 count canvas, and there she is in her glory, and I'll tell you now, there's confetti, spaghetti everywhere. Alright, so she said all the way around for our convenience. She's got 56 colors, and all the symbols are also on your Ada. She's 329 by 328 stitches, or width and height if you prefer. I told you there is a product code name and number. I did say that, but I can't say that. Andromeda berries. Oh, she's gonna give us grey hair. Oh wow. Now this I'm very excited about. This is gonna be a masterpiece. And the printing is so clear, man. Oh. So let me show you. Typical Joy Sunday. Very, very clear. You guys know Joy Sunday by now. And let me show you. This is a little bit of the busy. Not that busy there, but let me show you. Yeah. How about the flowers? It's gonna give us a chase around the block. But I don't care. This is magnificent. Fantastic, fantastic product. If this is your scene, grab it. This is one for the books. One for the books. It's amazing. Alright, so let's have a look. Look at all this. Oh, my Stitchy soul. I'm not gonna have anything left. It's just chicken skin all the way. Alright, so let's have a look. Oh, man. Alright, so this is 1 to 30. Beautiful, warm colors. And you guys know Joy Sunday is excellent. I've always loved Joy Sunday. I will always love Joy Sunday. They're spectacular. And then we've got our 31 to 56. And here the black, here the 4. This is our extra black that we're going to use. And then of course they include their needles by sticking them to the color card. There they are. And these are 26ers. Oh, the stitch is nice, guys. The stitch is good. Alright, so let's have a look at all of them together. Wow, wow, wow. I love this. I actually absolutely adore this stitch. Alright, so we're done with this one. And while I back away, I just want to thank FGNORMAL. Oh my soul, thank you very much. This is, oh my Stitchy soul. It's amazing. Thank you so, so much. Then, to you my viewer, please remember FGNORMAL sale. It's a big one. You buy for $1.22 and you get 20% off. Buy for $72.03. Get 23% off, and buy for $120.86 you get 26% off, and you can still use my discount code, and it's my name, Sunette. Remember that. Now that we've done that, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for always watching and supporting me. You guys really mean the world to me. Now till next time, lots of love, Stitcha-Rella.